everyone, this is Chit and Chit. Welcome to SLD Free English classes. In this video, I'll be teaching you some grammar points, and I'll be speaking in English only, but for some grammar points, I will speak in Burmese. So before we get started, I want you to prepare a notebook and a pen because you will have to take notes and then you will have to do some grammar exercises. So I want you to get ready. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, everyone. Now, look at the picture first. How many people can you see? Yes, 3 people. Okay. This time, by looking at this picture, I want you to guess their job. Okay. So in the picture, you will see a camera and then another man sitting right here and giving instruction to them. Can you guess their job? Yes, actor and actress. Okay. And how about this man? What is his job? He is a director. Okay, now this time we're gonna listen to a conversation between these 3 people, the director, the actor, and the actress. Listen, and I want you to fill in the blank number 2 to 10. Okay, so you have to fill in the blank and write the answer in your notebook. Okay, after that we're gonna check the answer, so listen carefully.
Light
3.11.
Okay, be quiet please. Scene 1, take 1. Lights, camera, action.
Hello, Sam.
Hello, Scarlett.
Come in. Sit down. We need to talk.
Talk? What about?
Us. You and me.
Listen to me, Scarlett. I love you. Do you love me?
I don't know, Sam. I need time.
And Rupert? Do you love him?
Don't talk about Rupert. Yes, I like Rupert, but I don't love him. You don't understand.
Don't cry, Scarlett. Please don't cry.
Cut. Great. I like it. Okay, scene 2. This is a big scene. Scarlett, go to the windows. Open them. Sam, go to Scarlett. Stand next to her. Scarlett, look at him. That's great. Don't move.
What do I say to her? I don't remember.
Nothing. Don't say anything. Kiss her.
Everyone, now we're gonna check the answers. Okay, so number 2, what is the answer? Yes, coming. Number 3, yes, listen to me. Okay. 4, don't talk about Rupert. Very good. Number 5, don't cry. Okay. And number 6, go to the window. Yes, open them. Stand next to him. Look at him. Okay, and number 10 is don't say anything. Okay. Did you get the same answer? Okay, now we're gonna look at some grammar points. Let's have a look. Okay, so this time we're going to learn about imperatives. Okay, so these are called imperatives. For example, here, go, help, come, wait. Okay, so we use imperative like this. So come in. Okay, have a cup of tea. Turn left at the post office. Don't touch, it's hot. Alright, so we don't have subject, okay, but we start with verb. Alright, come in, have a cup of tea, so you can see the verb come, okay, and then have a cup of tea, start with verb have. So that kind of things, we call it imperative. Okay, right, so you also have to know that sometimes imperative is the only one word. For example, help, All right, so when you're asking for help, you will shout help. All right, so this is also imperative. Okay, help me with my suitcase. So these are called imperative. Okay, but when you say when you use imperative, if you want to be more polite, you can add please. You can say help me with my suitcase, please. Okay, suitcase good day, ba. Okay, so it should be suitcase good day, ba. Or you can also use it at the beginning. Please help me with my suitcase. All right, so hurry up, please. Or you can also say please hurry up. Right. So if you want to be more polite, when you use imperative, you have to use please. Okay, and then these are the positive, and if we want to change it into negative, we have to use don't be late. Okay, so here you can see late. Is it verb or adjective? Yes, this is adjective. All right, so we cannot say don't late. We have to use verb to be, and we'll say don't be late. Okay, and the next one, don't forget your books. Don't forget. Okay, don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. Right. So now, when do we use imperative? Let's talk about it. So we use imperative to give instruction. All right. So turn right at the corner. Don't forget your passport. Okay. So instruction be for example, like teacher to student. Okay. So teacher will say, listen to me. Write it in your book. All right. And then repeat after me. So teacher will give instruction to students. So at the time, when you give instruction, we use imperative. Okay. Next one, to give warnings. For example, look out, there's a car coming. Look out, you are giving warnings. Okay. When you give warning, we use imperative. Be careful, that box is very heavy. That is warning. Next one is to give advice. For example, have a rest, you look tired. Now, when you are giving advice as well, we can use imperative. Okay, take a coat. It's cold today. Okay, coat in alright, so we use imperative. Don't see that film is terrible. Terrible means very bad. Okay, don't see the film when you are giving advice. Okay, next one is to ask people to do things. All right, so come in please and sit down. All right, so the child will we use imperative. Come in please and sit down. Listen to this song, it's wonderful. Wonderful means very good. And pass the batter please. Okay, top lambi ba. Okay, pass the batter please. We use imperative. Also to make offer, so have another orange juice. Okay, so another orange juice, not a offer loda. When you make offer as well, we can use imperative. Okay. Right, next one, to wish things. When you are like when you wish for the things. So for example, like have a good trip. Okay, alright, so when you wish for the things, we use imperative. So okay, now we're gonna look at the dialogue, the conversation one more time, and this time I will need to underline the imperative. Okay, so the first one, what is it? Yes, be quiet. What else? Come in, okay. Yes, sit down. Listen to me. Very good. What else? Don't talk. Okay, don't talk about Rupert. What else? Don't cry. Oh, please don't cry. Yes. And then go to the windows. Open them. Go to Scarlett. Okay, very good. Next. Stand next to her. Look at him. Don't move. Okay. Don't say anything. And kiss her. Okay, so these are called imperatives. Okay, now we're going to do some grammar exercises about imperative. What you have to do is you're going to read the sentences number 1 to 13 and you have to choose the correct answer from the box. Okay, so number 1, blank an umbrella with you, it's raining. What will be the correct verb? Yes, okay, take. take an umbrella with you, it's raining. So we don't need to use take anymore. All right, so can you please do number 2 to 13? Write down the answer in your book. Write only answer. I will give you 3 minutes, okay? After that, we'll check the answer. So you can pause the video while you are writing. You can start. Okay, now let's check. Number 2, blank a rest. You look tired. Yes, have a rest. Number 3, turn left. Yes, turn left at the end of the road. Number 4, I can't swim. So you will say, yes, help me. I can't swim. Okay, how about 5, to take your passport. Don't forget. Okay, don't forget to take your passport. Number 6. Yes, stop the car. There's a cat in the road. Stop the car. Okay, and then to my party, please. So, yes, come to my party, please. Okay, blank your books at page 84. Open, very good. Open your books. And then blank the salt, please. Pass the salt. Okay, pass. And then to that record, it's terrible. Yeah, don't listen. And 11, the bus leaves at 9 o'clock. Will be, don't be late. Okay. Then number 12, have a glass of lemonade. Come in and have a glass of lemonade. The first train in the morning. Catch the first train in the morning. So this is the answer. Please check the answer. Okay. Well done. Now we'll practice more. Okay. Now I want you to imagine you are a teacher. Okay. Imagine you are a teacher, and I want you to write down classroom rules and regulation. Okay, using imperative. So for example here, you will see the first one. Don't eat in the class. You are the teacher. You are now writing rules and regulation. This is with negative. Don't eat in the class. Okay, one rule. Another one, positive. Listen to your teacher carefully. All right, so these are the classroom rules and regulation. I want you to write more. Okay, more class rules and regulation. So please write 3 more rules and regulation with positive, okay, and then 3 more rules with negative. Right? So that's your homework. You can write it in your book, or you can also write it in the comment box. Okay? I hope you understand. Bye bye everyone, and I will see you guys in next video. Bye.